What I've realized is that, most of the folks here who is there in the market, they are looking desperately for the job. They're looking desperately for the change. But no one has a time, or no one is, have a time to read through things thoroughly and then do. So for example, I'll just show you one post that I put on the LinkedIn yesterday. I'll just share it, and then you'll realize what I'm trying to tell you guys. So I wrote one post yesterday on the LinkedIn. Actually, I keep on writing the post. Okay. So just go through it, what I have written. So in throughout the post, I have specifically mentioned that you should avoid the people who are, write things like put interested in the comments, because most of these folks will not help you at all, and they're just there to, uh, increase their, connection counts or their traction on the LinkedIn or something like that. And specifically, I have mentioned that, if you're trying to make your resume, these are the 5 points that you should follow, which will help you to get a better resume. You don't have to take help of anybody else, but this is what you should do. And to my surprise, like 99% of people, they didn't even care to read all, and they just saw this is interested, and they started posting interested in my comments. If you can see, 95% of people are just writing interested and interested. More than 200 people have commented, and they all are writing interested and interested. So this is a funny fact. So what I mean to say is that, if you're so much die-hard, looking for a job change, try to be very sincere about where you are looking at and what you are looking at. This is very important. What is a hurry that even if you not read the 4 lines and you just put it interested, like you just have read my bio, or maybe just I have written interested and you felt, okay, I'll get something and just put interested. This is not how we should be taking the life, or taking any of our decisions. We should be very careful and pragmatic about what I'm doing and what I'm not. Right. So this I just wanted to. So this is what the condition right now. Right? So even if you see in this highly competitive world and so many people are trying to get a job, trust me, 95% of the folks are just like that. They are not your competitors at all if you are little serious about doing your things. So you don't have to worry about those are stupid people, 95% of the janta, because they don't know what they're doing actually. They're just blindly following this rat race. So if you have to make a difference from the other folks who are actually looking for the job, the only thing that you need to do is that be a little sincere. Just try to follow the things in a proper way, and trust me, it will just land you a very nice job, a dream job, in very easily. Because the other folks, they are just there to increase the count. And this, I just showed you, right? They don't have enough time, or they don't have enough, thing to at least read through it and what is there. And just blindly saying interest, and it will not make any, it will. I have written all the 5 points that you have to go through to write a good resume, but they're not interested in that. They want to do anything on their own. They just want that, okay, there's somebody who can do something free for them, and they're just waiting for that thing to happen. And that is like 99%. So out of 200 comments so far, I just wrote this post like yesterday evening, and there's so 200 people have commented. Only I think 10% of that folks have seen that. No, not even 10%, like 2 or 3% people have read it full, and they have said, okay, I'll follow this. Other have just written interested, so that there's some ready-made solution that Vishwa will give, and they will just run over it. So that is the point I wanted to keep you guys. So be very much focused, understand that what you are doing, and only when you understand what you are doing, you'll be able to make something out of it. If you are doing something just for following a rat race, I think that will not help you guys. Make sense?
Yeah.